Yes, we Trash Bin Cleaner Direct here is GI Bins, veteran-owned company. We also have Americans, another veteran-owned company, and Cleaning Bubbles. They're rolling out the door. More information about getting into the trash bin cleaning industry. These are all titanium series, so this titanium truck package has got the same equipment, except for this doesn't have the soft wash chemical spraying system on here as the Americans and the Cleaning Bubbles has. So if you already got a truck and want to just add a titanium or diamond trailer package, we can hook you up. If you want to get into um, the package um, with or without the truck, I mean, and Heck, Kenny? Yeah, you good? All right, you're good. Yeah, go knock out your franchise stuff. So this house, they have the inlet reel, high pressure reel, 200-foot hose here, 200-foot of chemical hose. Got a bleach and chlorine system on here for HFH, sodium hypochlorite. 35 at 9-gallon hot water machine, just like this truck has. Titanium truck, titanium trailer, neon green. We've got Cleaning Bubbles here. Same 35 at 9. Also have the soft wash chemical spraying system. Trash bin cleaning, biggest new industry in the United States in decades. If you're looking to go above and beyond only trash bin cleaning, 100% we can do trash bins. These guys actually do about 450 extremely filthy trash cans in a single day with a single truck or trailer. They got a titanium trailer and a bigger diamond trailer. There, they also have franchisees with additional titanium trucks. So, rolling out, going to do a bunch of cans right now. They're in a community that I assisted them with. 118 trash bins will be cleaned in 3 hours. Those are once a year cleaning, so they're pretty heavy duty cleaning cycle. So Trash Bin Cleaner Direct 877-699-0755 or get our website and information.